It is now Sunday, 1 p.m. We just got our electricity back. We have not had electricity since Thursday night at approximately 3 a.m. This is what we've had to resort to during the storm. As you can see, no fridge, no electricity. Shabbos without electricity. And now these will go in the fridge in a few minutes, and here's the results of the storm. This was actually a lot worse, but since we had no electricity, I could not take the footage. It was quite buried. Go to the other side. We had about a meter of snow, they say, in areas of Jerusalem. As you could see here, that's the sink. This is pretty wretched. Look at where that snow goes up to. That's pretty crazy. It was a blizzard. The snow's a little dispersed. There you go. There's a little nice view. And here's the beautiful Jerusalem mountains, which look so much more beautiful after your electricity goes back on. There's
Hello.